Fresh off the freaking truck, man. Another crew cab. We're back at it again. This time, the swap is done with a common rail. It looks pretty well put together. Picked up this truck out of Idaho. It literally just came off the truck. It's still freaking wet. I just pulled it in. Coming off the truck right now is another crew cab dually. You can hear the Cummins. This has been previously swapped. This truck's got a manual trans. It's super ugly, two-wheel drive. We got a lot to do to this thing. Now, obviously, it's not this truck quite yet. This is our current giveaway truck, and man, this thing is bad to the freaking bone. That's exactly what we intend on doing with this. New paint job all the way down. We're going to spruce up this common rail in here. We're going to do a four-wheel drive swap. I've got axles sitting right over here. Shout out Blake Fitzgerald. Got axles sitting right here, ready to go. Four-wheel drive conversion parts all right here, ready to go on this truck. We're going to have this thing tore down in the next 24 hours. It's like 11 o'clock here at night. By the time I come into work tomorrow, I fully expect the guys to have this truck completely tore apart, cab in the bed, in the paint booth, and the four-wheel drive swap being commenced. Now, there's also a lot of other things that I want to do to this truck. Like, fix what the heck's going on with these wipers. Didn't work. Headlights worked when I went down. Looks like they're just too long or something. They're hitting up there. I mean, I don't know what's going on. This window trim, I mean, yum. And whoever thought it was a good idea to put these on there, well, those are getting taken off. The lights are really not on there very well. The good thing is it's rust-free. Interior is absolutely smacked. Disgusting. But the good thing is everything is solid on this truck, and that's why I had it shipped from Boise, Idaho. It does have a edge monitor in here. Looks like this is how they keep the the window closed. You know, the tape over there. She's rough. She's rough. But she's gonna turn out like a show truck, I promise. Just have some faith. This truck's gonna turn out beautiful. You already know what we're doing with these back wheels. When this gets that four-wheel drive swap, I'm gonna show you what I got over here cooking. I can't help myself. I just can't. Alcoas. Big, beautiful, beautiful 22-inch milled Alcoas. Guys, I cannot freaking wait to dig into this truck. Let you guys actually follow along this time on a build. You know, I didn't do it with the Ram Charger. We did a full 12-valve swap, full manual transmission swap on this truck, four-wheel drive swap with first-gen axles. We did a lot to the interior. We repainted the truck. You know, we put the wheels on it. We put far from stock traction and steering kit. And, you know, the worst part about it is I didn't film it for you guys. And that was my mistake. Destin Johnson actually won this truck, and he's out of Tennessee, I think. I don't know. Don't quote me. We'll ask him later. And this truck is our current truck. It's our current giveaway right now. Beautiful crew cab, 12-valve Cummins. Beautiful interior. Now, I didn't film much of this truck because, well, I'll just be honest, we didn't build it. We put our parts on it, tuned up the engine, and put tons of powder because it had no powder. It was really ugly under there. And when I got it, the transmission was supposedly a good working transmission. Well, the damn thing didn't go out of first gear. And so I called Randy's up. Randy's Transmission, shout out them guys. Josh hooked me up with a transmission. I got their Stage 2 48 RE in this thing. We went from a 47 RH to a 48 RE. And man, it's a world of a difference. It just got in today. But this truck is just everything that I love about these crew cab first gens. And, well, so you can see there's quite a height discrepancy here, and you know, just all around a discrepancy. This thing is just ugly. I mean, look at it. I know this might be some of your guys' cup of tea to say, but I just see it for the platform that it's going to be. and I know what it's going to be, and I can't wait for it to be what it's going to be, if you know what I mean. And there's paint chips everywhere. Window seals suck. But the good thing is they did a pretty good job doing the common rail conversion. I haven't really gotten to take a look how much damage was done to the firewall back there. It doesn't even look like I can stick my fingers in there, so we'll see if they cut anything out once we get into this truck. And we'll have the cab completely off tomorrow by noon. Like I said, when I come in, I'm expecting the cab to be separated, the front clip tore apart, the bed pulled off, and hopefully these A-arms being tore off and this rear axle being taken out, and all of our parts being put on it. You know, we've got everything sitting ready to go. Coilover conversion for the front end. We've got our transmission brackets, our traction bar, steering kit, front 4-link. We've got it all ready to go in. We are super excited. Guys, every truck that I've built, yes, including the Ram Charger, it's going to get a visor. I love the visors. I love them. Truck came in, that crew cab I showed you guys came in last night at midnight, and I came in late today, working them banker hours, and they already have the cab pulled, the bed pulled, and the rear axles cut out. Let's go over and see what they got going on in the paint booth. Oh man. Cab pulled off, looks like they're pulling door panels. I told you guys that interior, man, it was roach. Dash is still good, perfect condition. No rust on this truck absolutely anywhere. You can tell at one point it was red. Let's see what Scotty's doing. Oh. Got the bed under primer already. Less than 24 hours and we got this truck completely tore down. And I cannot wait to show you guys what color we're going to be painting this truck, because man, you are going to love it. That's what I call a good crew right there. And don't forget, guys, this is our current giveaway truck. It is up for grabs right now, along with $10,000 in cash. We'll be going home to one of you guys very soon. And so will this. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but man, we are getting her done. What I will say about this truck is I was pretty surprised for us to be pulling this engine. And look what we've got. Far from stock engine mounts already on this truck, because they know you ain't going to do one of these swaps in one of these first gens without them. We got our brackets on for our 4-wheel drive conversion. Got our engine cross member in, and our steering box brace. Now, 2-wheel drive, you got to cut the A-arms off, get that front end out, cut the torsion bars off, and we just keep it all in one assembly when we do that. You can see, get the torch out, cut the springs, release the tension, and then we air hammer out all the rivets. We've got a 12 mil CP3 and injectors from Dynamite Diesel. These are 100 over. We've got a stainless diesel turbo and manifold S468. Man, in old Hollywood over here, she's working on the engine, aren't you, buddy?
Yeah. Getting ready to set it.
Pretty soon, this truck is going to look something like this. Bed, cab, got everything put back together. Getting some final touches on the cab done. The interior will not be done this week, but enough to make it to the show. Starting to look like a truck. Should be a roller today, hoping we're having the cab set back down. We got a 4-link on, got our top brackets in, engine mount in, got the transmission connected, transfer case put in, rear axle put in place. We did go with bigger lift blocks, but that's because we didn't have the right springs in yet. So this is just to get us to a few shows, and that'll all be coming back off. Get rid of those great big lift blocks and put in new leaf springs. but she is starting to look like a truck. Now that we're out here in the sun, you can see what color we chose. And don't she look freaking beautiful? Less than a full week. Last week at this time, this truck was still in one piece, hadn't even come apart yet. Wow. Man, look how good they did. Interior still needs to be done, but we're gonna do that when we get back from the show. I'm gonna go all black leather, all black dash, all the plastic will be repainted black, but you guys can just see how we're coming along. And got your old Scotty in here. Getting some sanding done because the hood's gonna get painted today, so is the bumper. And you already know, putting a visor on it. Got this from First Gen Industries. Raul, he's the man. Boy, oh boy, I'm excited. We officially have a roller. Cab, bed, just about ready to be going on. Sits pretty good as a roller. Looks like they're getting ready to set the cab back down on it. Well, Hollywood's over here fixing something he broke, I'm sure. We had a rough day today, Hollywood.
Ain't feeling the best.
Poor girl's sick. What an absolute beautiful sight to see. Truck finally coming back down. I mean, man.
All these bolts are right back in the bed.
I think that's a fine ride height, guys. We just leave it where it's at. We just do a body lift. Yep. I think it's fine, yeah. We can do a body lift this high.
Still good, Cameron?
I'm good right here.
Real good here.
I'm good to keep going.
Keep going?
Yeah. The bed is finally on. Still gotta put the wheels on. We just got the drive shaft in from driveline 1. She looks pretty good. Now, got some finishing touches to do. Got trim to put on for the back doors. Glass is coming in today. Like I said, got wheels to put on. A few small things to finish, but she's ready to go to the show. And soon enough, she'll be going home to one of you. Got it put together partially for the show. Man, it looks good. We got a lot of finishing touches still got to tune. But at least this thing will be at the show. Don't ask me to open the doors because I won't. Interior's roached. We pull it out right after Blake's. It'll be getting black leather, double stitched white thread. Oh, it's going to be nice. But tell us below what you would have done different. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a freaking comment, man. See you later. All right, guys, we are on the way to Blake Fitzgerald's Truck Fest 5.0. 5.0 Truck Fest. Anyways, we've got behind us the current giveaway truck. It's a little dirty, but it's okay because we're going to get it detailed as soon as we get there. And I've got something to show you. This is a truck that I went to Idaho and grabbed. Well, I didn't bring it back personally. I had it shipped out. 2-wheel drive, super ugly and gray and black, but look what we've got now. We put this truck together in 9 freaking business days. Tore the cab off, tore the bed off, did a 4-wheel drive conversion, put a new transmission in there, and a brand new paint job. It's far from done, but it's making progress, and shortly you guys are going to be able to get entered to win this truck, just like the creamsicle's up for grabs right now. And you guys already know we're going to do a double up, so keep your eyes open, don't freaking miss out. See you later.